Yeah, bro. So, homie came through in the M6. Clean. Super nasty car. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my homie with the... Some of y'all probably remember, but I posted an M5. It's been on the channel a few times. What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy, Rob. And today, we are in the shop. So today what we got going down, man, is we are going to just basically rearrange the cars because I am going to prep to start getting this stuff painted on the Impala. So I got to move the Elko on the other side of the garage, and I got to move the Impala in the middle so that I have more room to work. So that's pretty much what we got going down today. I'm not going to be spraying or doing nothing like that today. I just want to get everything prepped so I can just come out here, sand everything down, wrap the Impala up, because I gotta basically wrap up the whole entire car with plastic and tape and all that kind of stuff, mask it all up, and then I can start prepping to get ready to paint all the pieces for the Impala so we can put everything back together. So that's basically what we're gonna be doing, and I'll probably just, you know, pull the cars out, get a couple of shots and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, man, before you jump into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time we drop another video. I greatly appreciate it, man. I always appreciate all the love and support. So if y'all could go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. But anyways, man, I'm gonna stop rambling, go ahead and jump into the video. So let's go. So first things first, I'm gonna pump some coolant out of the Elko, because as you can see, there's too much coolant in there. I filled this back up, but that was already a little bit too high. So I think there's, like I said, there's a little bit too much coolant in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pump some of it out with this little pump, man. But bruh, the Impala looks just so clean, man. And I know, I need to get her together. I mean, the exhaust hanging down like that's trash. And then, you know what I'm saying, I'm tired of people asking me if it's an Impala or not just because it don't have the emblems on it. So, but man, we gonna get it together. She just looks so clean. I haven't driven it or anything since I cleaned it. But yeah, man, I gotta get it together because I really want to drive my car, man. That pump was taking way too long, so I just disconnected the top of the hose and just drained it out. So, you know what I'm saying, it was a lot faster trying to get this done, actually, you know what I'm saying? So, but now got it all drained out and everything, so we should be good. And yeah, I'm about to clean up the mess that I made real quick, but you know what I'm saying, that was way too high. So now we'll see what it does after, you know, the car's been running for a little bit and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this car out, and then yeah, so let me go ahead and start it up. All right, y'all, so got my babies out, man. Got them all cleaned up. Well, they been cleaned up. I cleaned this one the other day, and then cleaned this one some weeks and weeks and weeks ago. So it's been clean for a minute, but you know what I'm saying, I ain't had them out both like this for I don't even know how long, y'all. But here the Elko chopping, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna let it warm up and just sit here for a minute because I want her to get all nice and warm. But yeah, man, so pretty much what I gotta do is get the Elko in the third car bay, and then this one in the second car bay, so that I can start getting everything together. You can see the little bumper strip that needs to be painted. The little trim piece at the bottom needs to be painted. The wheel well trim needs to be painted. I'm gonna sand my hood down, 600 grit it, and I'm gonna re-clear it because like up here it's dull. It doesn't feel like smooth like the rest of it. So I think I kind of messed up like clearing. I mean, you can clearly see that I messed up right here. I kind of flared the gun out when I was painting it. It's real hard to paint the hood of this car without touching anything, especially how I had it and I wasn't standing on anything and I had the car elevated. So but yeah, man, I mean, she looks amazing. I mean, both of them, to me at least, you know what I'm saying, they my cars, so I'm a little bit biased. But you know what I'm saying, y'all can jump down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think. But you know what I mean, cleaned up, you know what I'm saying. This one still need to be cut and buffed. This one's cut and buffed, but both both of them need to be, well, this one needs to be, I'm kind of thinking about re-clearing it. I don't really know. I said before that I was gonna repaint the car, but I don't think I'm gonna repaint the car, man. I mean, it's just gonna be what it is. I mean, to me, it looks good, so yeah, man. But let me go ahead and put at least the Impala inside, and then I'm gonna let this one warm up, because like I said, I wanted to do its thing. And I might take it around the block for a little bit, because I was hearing something the other day. Kind of sounded like a little bit of a grinding noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can investigate that. I think it might have been because I, sprayed the water all on the brakes and stuff. So that could have been it. Usually after you spray water on the brakes and stuff, it kind of squeak and squeal a little bit. So now that it's dry, I'm gonna probably take it around the block a couple of times and see if I can figure out, what's going down. But anyways, let me go ahead and get this Impala into the garage, and then, we'll go from there. Yeah, bro, so homie came through in the M6, clean, super nasty car. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my homie with the, some of y'all probably remember, but I posted an M5. It's been on the channel a few times. The first time it was on the channel, it was wrapped blue and he painted it. So I haven't seen the M5 yet, but that's on the channel before he painted it. And then he just got this one clean. Man, he trying to tell me to go foreign, but I'm like, yeah, I like my old schools. You feel me? Got the white guts, super clean. Man, let me know what y'all think, man. This is probably one of my favorite BMWs, though. I will say the M6. My uncle had a 450, but this the M. I think, this had like 500-600 horsepower or something like that. Yeah, but it's clean. It's not black either. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if y'all could tell. It's probably gonna be hard to tell, but it's like a blue color. It's real hard to tell on camera. It looks black, but it's not black. Got the carbon fiber roof. You know what I'm saying? I do like foreigns, man, but I don't know, man. It's just something about old schools that speak to me. Like, now for like a daily or something, you know what I'm saying? It's totally different ball game, but like for like my toy, nah, you know what I'm saying? Like all old school over here. But yeah, man, I'll probably put the M5 on here too once he gets it all done. Like I said, I posted it before he did any work to it, or while he was in the process of like sanding it down and doing everything. But you know what I'm saying, it's painted now. The paint is wet. So I've only seen videos of it, but I'll put it up, you know what I'm saying, and then he'll have them both together. So he's still on the phone? Yeah. Oh, he haven't seen this? No. Yeah, man, but like I said, it's clean, real clean. Definitely worth the money, man, for sure. All right, y'all. Got the cars in here, you know what I'm saying, switched up on the side that they need to be on right now. Like I said, so this car here is going to, I'm gonna start working on this one. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. I ain't gonna lie, because I haven't really been motivated to get out here and paint because I've been doing so many other things. But I am kind of like looking at it like it needs to get done. It needs to get done because the weather's warm right now, and it's obviously not going to be warm forever. So I need to get to it as soon as possible. I'm thinking within the next few weeks. It's really nothing, you know what I'm saying? It's not really difficult to just spray all those parts, but like I said, I got it over here so I could easily walk around the car, sand the hood down, do what I need to do to fix the areas that need to be fixed. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. It's gonna stay as is. What was done is done once I'm done painting it, because like I said, I want to be rolling in my car. Like, I ain't trying to be, you know what I'm saying, like not driving it, because like I said, same thing with that one, just working on it all the time. I'm not trying to just have cars that you're just that I'm just working on all the time. You know what I'm saying? We got the C10 The C10 is gonna be, or square body, I should call it, because Chevy C10 is a GMC, so it's like a C15 or something like that. But anyways, with the square body, that's gonna be like my next project, so I'll definitely be like working on that, chopping it up, getting it all good. And I'm kind of like starting to try to get motivated to do that. But like I said, I want to get this done, be able to drive this car, and then, you know, like I said in my last video too, start working on the motor, getting the motor in here, and, you know, hopefully we're not working on it too long. And I know I've stated in the past that I wanted to get different wheels, and I wanted to upgrade it to foes. I'm going to definitely hold off on that, because what I want is going to cost a pretty penny for one, and for two, like, it doesn't make sense to have the car on, you know what I'm saying, better wheels just to have it sit here. You know what I'm saying? It already got wheels on it, whatever. I'd rather put that bread into the motor and put it into the square body, even though these are gonna go on the square body. But I'd rather do all that, get all that situated before I start, you know, upgrading the upgrade, I guess you could say, if that makes sense. Because the wheels that came off were some trash winter tires and steel wheels. So definitely these are an upgrade. And, you know what I'm saying, I ain't trying to upgrade, like I said, the upgrade right now. So anyways, y'all, like I said, it wasn't nothing too much. I just wanted to get the cars, you know, flopped around, start them for a little bit, let them run so that the batteries kind of, well, that one's cool because I drive that one, but this one, the battery's been dying because, you know, like I don't get out here and start it. I don't drive it. I don't do nothing with it right now. I just been really having fun in the Elko. So anyways, that's what it is right now. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Definitely, you know, special surprise. The homie pulled up in the M6. Super nice car, man. I really do like foreign cars. I'm not gonna lie, man. Like, as far as, like I said, a daily driver, like a toy, I'm not a huge fan of them, because, you know, a toy is something that you work on, you tinker on, you upgrade, you make faster, you do whatever you gotta do. And that's the type of car that it wouldn't be the case with that car, because it's so expensive to even fix anything, let alone upgrade anything. But as far as like a daily driver, as far as comfort and, you know what I'm saying, getting around town and style and whatever, definitely. I mean, you don't drive an old school every single day. It's not as comfortable. Even with the upgraded suspensions and everything like that, they're still not, it's not the same. When you're talking about electronic dampening and, you know, adaptive steering control and shit like that, you know what I mean? Like, when you got computers and sensors and all that kind of stuff that helps level out the ride and keep it smooth and all that kind of stuff, man, it's like totally different. It's just different technology, you know what I'm saying? So it makes it more comfortable. But anyways, like I said, I got the cars flip-flop where they need to be, and we're gonna go ahead and start on the Impala now, because the Elko is pretty much done. I mean, there's still things that need to be done on the car, don't get me wrong, like I said in my last video. But at the end of the day, it's not, it's nothing that's gonna, like, you know, that I need to tear down the car for. It's just enhancing stuff like my rear view mirror and the dashboard and stuff like that, stereo equipment and stuff like that. But anyways, like I said, the Impala, I need to paint it, put the emblems on. So definitely people can start asking me whether it's a Caprice or Impala. It's definitely an Impala. And it just is what it is, man. And I got some emblems that I'm kind of considering thinking about. I got the stock ones, not the lettering, but I got the stock Impala emblems and stuff like that. But I'm thinking about going with something a little different. And that may have changed since I'm not gonna go with the wheels that I'm gonna go with right this very second, but I do want the emblems on there, so I might just go ahead and throw some regular emblems on here, but chrome on the side or something like that. I don't know, but we'll see. Anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video. Looks like it's about to pour raining right now, so I'm gonna get everything closed up. So anyways, man, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notification every single time I drop another video. And always remember, work hard so you live free.